In today's video, I'm going to teach you TradingView tutorial how to add candles to a chart. If you're new to TradingView or just switching chart styles, candlesticks are one of the most informative ways to visualize price action. They show the open, high, low, and close for any time frame, and once you know where to find the controls, switching to candles is quick and easy. Start by opening TradingView and loading the chart you want to work with. You can search for any symbol in the search bar and open its chart. Once you're on the chart page, look toward the top center toolbar right next to the timeframe selector where you might see options like 1D or 1H. You'll notice an icon that displays the current chart type, such as line, area, or bars. Click that icon to open the chart type menu. From the menu, choose candles. Your chart will immediately switch to candlesticks. Each candle represents one period of time based on your selected time frame and displays the range of price movement and where price opened and closed. By default, up candles are one color and down candles are another, making trends and momentum easier to spot at a glance. Next, let's fine-tune the appearance so your candles are easy to read. Right-click anywhere on the chart to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works as well. In the menu that appears, select Settings. This opens the Chart Settings panel where you can customize how your chart looks and behaves. Click on the Symbol tab. This is where you control the look of your candlesticks. Underbody, choose the colors you want for bullish or up candles and bearish or down candles. For clarity, pick contrasting colors that stand out on your background. Under borders, set the color for the candle outlines. Matching the border to the body can create a clean look, while using a darker border can make each candle's shape more distinct. Under wicks, choose the colors for the thin lines that show the high and low of each candle. High contrast wick colors help you see intra-period extremes, especially on crowded charts. You'll see changes preview in real time, so adjust until everything is readable and consistent with your layout. When you're happy with your setup, click OK to apply your changes. That's it. You've switched your chart to candles and customized their appearance for better readability. If you switch timeframes or symbols, your chosen candle style will carry over within your chart layout, keeping your view consistent. Thanks for watching and enjoy analyzing your charts with clear, customized candlesticks.